A new addition to our hunting and outdoor series is two fixed blades, the 1883 Deschutes Skinner and the 1882 Deschutes Caper. This is the larger of the two, the 1883 Deschutes Skinner. Shares similar features with the Caper, including D2 blade steel with a stonewash finish. And something I really enjoy about both of these is the thinness of the blade stock, both at the edge and at the spine. This ensures that with both of these you have great slicing abilities. As well as the name suggests, the Skinner has this great sweeping belly that when you're processing a deer or a bird, for example, you're using a lot of those sweeping cuts, and this will thrive in that environment. As well, they both have two spots with jimping, one near the rear of the spine at the handle, one near the tip. They're both full tang, have a rubberized textured grip, something that I find very important in an outdoor style fixed blade. Whether you're hunting, fishing, camping, you're a lot of times in different environments, whether it be raining, muddy, snowy, or your hands bloody, and that texture helps ensure, in combination with the large choil that both of these have, a really secure, comfortable grip in all conditions to reduce the risk of accidentally cutting yourself. As well, both of these handles have ramps for natural positioning, whether you're choking up to do fine detailed work or utilizing the choil for something like the push cut. They're both Kershaw original designs. They both come with a Kydex style sheath. As you can see, it's unbuttoned and has a great secured hold on the knife. They both have a drain hole as well to help any moisture escape. It's the Kershaw Deschutes Caper and Skinner.